Is WhatsApp constantly telling you to try again later? Let's get you reconnected in no time. First things first, your internet connection is the most common culprit. Swipe down from the top of your screen to access your quick settings. Make sure Wi-Fi is turned on and you're connected to a stable network. If you're using mobile data, ensure it's enabled and you have a strong signal. Try toggling airplane mode on for about 30 seconds and then off again. This can often reset your network connection. If your internet seems fine, let's try a fresh start. For the app itself, close WhatsApp completely by swiping it away from your recent apps list on Android. You can also go to your phone settings, then apps, find WhatsApp, and tap Force Stop. Then reopen WhatsApp to see if that resolved the connection issue. Sometimes temporary data can cause problems on Android. Go back to your phone settings, then apps, find WhatsApp, and tap on storage. Here you'll see an option to clear cache. This will remove temporary files without deleting your chats on my phone. Clearing the cache usually involves uninstalling and reinstalling the app, but first, ensure you've backed up your chats. An outdated app can also lead to connectivity problems. Open your phone's App Store via either Google Play Store on Android or the App Store on iPhone. Search for WhatsApp and check if an update is available. If it is, tap to download and install the latest version. Updates often fix bugs and improve performance. After trying these steps, open WhatsApp again. If you're still experiencing issues, it might be a temporary server problem on WhatsApp's end, and it should resolve on its own. But hopefully, one of these solutions has brought you back online, and you can start chatting with your friends and family again.